Hey guys, my name's Tyree. I'm going to be doing the video with my brother, which is the main star because he's the video person. This is his channel.
So guys,
but I'm going to be counting how many Starbursts we have. Guys, we're going to be making edible slime with.
So guys,
this is how you make it.
I will be holding the camera.
Okay.
You're just So you guys will be seeing me a lot.
Listen. So what we need is Starburst.
We do the video. Pause the video. Pause the video.
But yeah, so Starburst.
It's paused.
And powdered sugar. We don't have that, so we're gonna get some. Well, it's downstairs. We don't have it right now, but here you go. Hold the camera that way. Stay right there. Hold it.
Okay, there we go.
Hold it like that. Okay, so we have one. The battery's low. Go get it charging. Okay. Okay, let me just do it. Press. So guys, okay, so we have one. Well, we're not gonna include this one because it only has one. So actually, we need that one.
Yeah.
So it's 31 times 2 because I already counted it. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
I'm eating
8,
candy.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Candy.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31 times 2, because there's 2 in there, and it equals 62, which means plus 1, which is 63. So we have 63 Starbursts.
Dad, we're gonna finish better.
So we have 63 Starbursts.
Hurry. You just want to make
all these Starbursts.
So guys, comment down below if you think we should
We're
make.
gonna do a separate video on this because we have to charge the phone. But yeah, so
guys, comment down below if we should make it together or separate. Thanks for the video and like it and subscribe. Bye.
you have to put all your